It's almost Mother's Day and I know you haven't made her anything yet. Let me show you how to make a really quick last minute craft that she is going to love. Okay, we have just a stack of shirts here and some of our print ready designs from the library that are all mom themed. So no matter what style your mom has, there is going to be something for her. So let's get started. First, we have this really light pink and we have this really cool softball mom design that is going to look beautiful on there. We're gonna do a quick little pre-press just to get any wrinkles out, any moisture. And then all we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna take our design, we are going to lay it on our t-shirt, line it up, and then we are going to press for 20 seconds. Then we are going to let this cool and we're gonna press another one. Guys, we can press so many last minute Mother's Day shirts so quickly and they're so easy. So next we have this cyber pink shirt. And this one is probably my personal favorite. The effects that you can get when printing with direct-to-film transfers is so cool, it's so unique. The results are just amazing. And as these cool, we're just gonna go ahead and remove those carrier sheets. And our next one, we are going to put on this fiery red t-shirt, and the next design is very unique. So in our print ready designs, we have some customizable projects in there. So this is a design where you can go in, fill in some color. I chose this really cool pattern, and you can even put the date that the mom became a mom. And you guys may notice that the reds and pinks will sometimes leave a dark spot where the heat press was, but don't worry, it's gonna fade as it cools off, so don't worry about it. Next we have this beautiful royal blue. And we have this very simple floral design. It's kind of like the sketch designs that are super, super popular right now. So any mom is gonna love this. And last but not least, we have this athletic heather. And any mom with a teenager is now bruh, otherwise known as mom. Sometimes if you put the design on a cool table or on some glass, it can help the design cool down a little bit quicker. All right, and now that all of these shirts have been pressed, we are just going to do another quick little press for 20 seconds. All right, guys, and there we have it. We have several shirt options for Mother's Day. All of these can be found in the Print Ready Designs section. And as always, if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us. And I hope everyone has a great Mother's Day.